Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can professionally create YouTube video thumbnail but in a very easy way. Before we start, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. For example, I want to create a thumbnail for this title. Delete Facebook account. From here, which thumbnail you liked. For example, I selected this thumbnail. For example, just bring snipping tool. From here, search for snipping tool. Click it, open it, new, select this thumbnail. Okay, open ChatGPT. From here, just write a prompt for Canva to generate attractive and eye-catching thumbnail like this. Okay, Control V. Just bring this image we just selected. Run. That is a prompt. Just copy. Control copy. Come to here. Open another window. Search for Canva. Okay. Open it. Good. Canva AI. Paste. Control V. Create an image. Select it 16:9 aspect ratio. Just run. You see? Delete account. If you not agree with this, just reuse. Reuse or run. It gives you more options. Okay, delete account. You see Facebook, trash can, delete. They are all attractive. Even you can reuse the prompt again. Run until you find the best one. Okay. Delete account. That's Facebook logo. This is phone screen. If you don't agree with this one, for example, I just write a prompt here. Generate and trash can. The text must be bold and contrasting. Just run. Okay. Delete. Sometimes there is some error like this. Delete Facebook account. Delete Facebook account. Delete Facebook account. Reuse prompt. Delete Facebook account at large. Facebook. Large logo of Facebook. Okay. And trash. A trash can. Okay. Good. Just run it again. This one's so attractive. This one. If I select it, I go with this one. Now, for example, I select this one. Just from here we have download option. Click download. You see the image is downloaded. Now let's open it. Double click on it. Yes. That is the thumbnail we just created. That's all. Have a nice day.